Step into the mystical realm of the night and prepare to be mesmerized by the enigmatic creatures of darkness. Get ready to unravel the secrets of one of nature's most fascinating beings, the majestic owl. With its piercing eyes and silent flight, the owl has captured the imagination of humanity for centuries. Let's embark on an extraordinary journey and uncover astonishing facts about these nocturnal wonders that will leave you spellbound. Crescent Moon, Fact 1. Owls are birds of prey belonging to the order Strigiformes and are known for their nocturnal habits and extraordinary hunting skills. Fact 2. There are over 200 species of owls found on every continent except Antarctica, ranging from the tiny elf owl to the powerful Eurasian eagle owl. Fact 3. Owls are expert hunters with specialized adaptations such as keen eyesight, silent flight, and razor-sharp talons. Fact 4. Most owls are nocturnal, meaning they are active during the night, while some species, like the northern hawk owl, are crepuscular, being most active at dawn and dusk. Fact 5. Owls have unique feather structures that allow them to fly silently, enabling them to surprise their prey with stealthy attacks. Fact 6. The facial discs of owls help funnel sound to their ears, giving them exceptional hearing abilities that aid in hunting even in complete darkness. Fact 7. Owls have binocular vision, allowing them to accurately judge distances and precisely target their prey. Even in low light conditions. Fact 8. The barn owl is one of the most widespread owl species, found on every continent except Antarctica, and is known for its heart-shaped facial disc and eerie screeching call. Fact 9. Owls play a crucial role in controlling rodent populations, making them valuable allies to farmers and gardeners. Fact 10. Owls have unique neck structures that allow them to turn their heads up to 270 degrees, compensating for their fixed eye position and enhancing their hunting capabilities. Fact 11. The snowy owl is one of the largest owl species, known for its striking white plumage that camouflages it in snowy landscapes. Fact 12. Owls are symbolic creatures in various cultures, often associated with wisdom, magic, and mystery. Fact 13. The great horned owl is one of the most powerful owl species, capable of hunting prey as large as rabbits and even other birds of prey. Fact 14. Owls regurgitate pellets containing indigestible parts of their prey, providing valuable insights into their diet and ecology for researchers. Fact 15. Owls have specialized feet with sharp talons and a reversible outer toe, allowing them to grasp and immobilize their prey with remarkable precision. Fact 16. Some owl species, like the burrowing owl, nest in underground burrows rather than trees, demonstrating their adaptability to various habitats. Fact 17. Owls are solitary hunters and are fiercely territorial, defending their hunting grounds from intruders, including other owls. Fact 18. Owls have been depicted in art and literature throughout history, symbolizing both wisdom and darkness in different cultures. Fact 19. Owls have excellent camouflage abilities, with many species having plumage patterns that help them blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Fact 20. The spectacled owl gets its name from the white feathers surrounding its eyes, giving the appearance of spectacles or glasses. Fact 21. Owls have been featured in mythology and folklore around the world, often portrayed as both benevolent guides and ominous omens. Fact 22. Owls have specialized feathers with serrated edges that reduce turbulence and allow for silent flight, giving them a distinct advantage when hunting. Fact 23. Owls are known for their haunting vocalizations, ranging from hoots and screeches to airy whistles and hisses, each species with its unique call. Fact 24. The little owl is often associated with the Greek goddess Athena and is considered a symbol of wisdom and protection in ancient mythology. Fact 25. Owls have adapted to a wide range of habitats, from dense forests to open grasslands, demonstrating their resilience and versatility as predators. Fact 26. Owls have excellent parental care, with both parents participating in incubating eggs and raising chicks until they are ready to fend for themselves. Fact 27. The eastern screech owl relies on its cryptic plumage and camouflage to remain hidden during the day, roosting in tree cavities or dense foliage. Fact 28. Owls have been the subject of scientific research for decades, with scientists studying their behavior, ecology, and physiology to better understand these enigmatic birds. Fact 29. The eagle owl is one of the largest owl species in the world, known for its impressive size and formidable hunting prowess. Fact 30. Owls are revered and admired by bird enthusiasts and conservationists alike, inspiring efforts to protect their habitats and ensure their survival for generations to come. Glowing star, and there you have it, folks. 30 mesmerizing facts about owls that illuminate the mysterious world of these nocturnal hunters. Whether gliding through moonlit skies or perched silently in the shadows, owls continue to fascinate and captivate us with their beauty and mystique. Until next time, may the wisdom of the owl guide your path and ignite your curiosity for the wonders of the natural world. Owl Sparkles.